Hi first graders, welcome back to math class with Miss Six. Today is Monday and we're going to be talking about place value. If you attended the Zoom meetings last week, then this will be kind of a review for you and we'll throw in a little bit of new things as well. So our objective says, today I can use place value to compare whole numbers up to 120, and we're going to start using comparative language. Those are words that can tell us about comparing. So place value will be able to tell me that 43 and 34 are not the same number. Now Miss Six, but both of these numbers have a 3. Both of these numbers have a 4. How are they different? I want you to look on your screen right now. How are these numbers different? Well, now that you've thought about it, I see that the 3 is in a different place on both of the numbers. They're just switched. So the value, the amounts of a number depends on which place that digit is in. Our digits are 0 all the way to 9, and we can put them in different orders. So this tells me that 43 is greater than 34. We're going to watch just a short clip of this place value video.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all that fit inside the ones place value line. So I picked another pair and made a group of 10 to fit into a bag perfectly even. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. I had to keep picking pairs of hunger I had to feed. So I picked another 10 and that led to one group of 100.
The pair bumped me on the head, and I said,
10 ones make 10. 10 groups of 10 are 100. 10 hundreds make 1,000. The pattern never ends.
I rode my bike one whole mile.
Okay, if we look at, I like seeing this part right here. This is kind of like a T-chart. Remember we talked about that a long time ago? If this was my paper, I can draw lines to split this up and make a big letter T. So on this side is the ones side, the ones place. And after you get too many ones, then it has to go to a group of 10. So we see he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pairs. And then when he adds the next pair, what comes after 9? 10. But when I get to 10, I have 2 digits now. Now I have a 1 next to a 0. So I have to move all those pairs up into a group to make it a group of 10. Now if I had 11 pairs, that would be a 1 next to a 1. So he'd have to put 1 pair in here and still have the group of 10 here. Okay, so I like to illustrate this. We can talk about 43 pairs, 43 M&Ms, 43 of any item that you want. And every time I'm counting big numbers, place value helps me so much, and drawing my base 10 blocks. So I can count faster if I make groups of 10. And you can try this at home too. If you have a lot of pennies, a lot of M&Ms, a lot of small things, put them into groups and then count the groups and it goes a lot faster. So let's try putting them into groups of 10. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's put another group of 10 because that's not up to 43 yet. Okay, I have 10 plus 10. That would be 20. And then that's 20 plus another 10. 30. 30 is not 43 yet, so let's keep going. 30 plus another 10 is 40. And then it says 43 So the 3 does not make a group of 10. I just draw my 3 X's. But if Miss Six gives you homework and I tell you to draw 43 X's, that is going to take you a long time. And it might be hard to keep track and keep them all straight and in line. So we have a trick. Every time you get to a group of 10, we stack them up and then we draw just a long stick. And this stick means a group of 10. And I like to keep them different colors. That way we can know for sure. So my sticks are groups of 10. My X's are just ones. Okay, let's look at something else. Which one would you rather have and why? We're going to start comparing our numbers. Would you rather have 5 blow pops or 3 blow pops? Which one is greater? Greater means bigger. I would say that, let me circle this, 5 is greater, because let me draw it into base 10 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this says 3. 1, 2, 3. So which one has more? Definitely the 5. It is greater. All right. Which one would you rather have here and why? 10, or would you rather have 50? But both these numbers have a 0 in the ones place. How do I know which one I want more? Let me start to draw. Okay, and I'm going to pick green because I already know that I'm going to have to draw some sticks for my groups of 10. Remember, a stick is one group of 10, and this is already one group of 10. Is there any ones? No. Okay, what about 50? How many groups of 10? And it helps, if it helps you, you can draw your T chart like this. So you can remember, these are my ones, these are my 10s. How many 10s am I doing? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which is greater? My 5 is greater. So that means that this side is less than. Less means like little. Less. Okay, let's go to the next one. What about, which one would you rather have? 2 cookies or 2 cookies? Well, they're the same. They're exactly the same number. This is 2 X's and this is 2 X's. So we say this is called equal. Equal means balanced or the same. So those are, you were just comparing with me. You were seeing which side had more, and we learned some new words. Greater, less, and equal. Okay, so I'm going to show you your assignment, which is using place value to compare those numbers. So remember I said you can draw a T chart. There's the 1 side and the 10 side. So if I had the number 43, I just draw my digit 4 over here and 3 over here. And then I also need you to start practicing drawing your 10s sticks and your little X's to mean ones. So 4 sticks, 3 X's. You will never have 2 digits in one box. So your assignment's on Pear Deck, and we did this in Zoom, so this should be easy for you. You're going to write the digits and draw the picture form, just like I showed you on this one. The digits are here and the pictures of the base 10 blocks. And then I also need you to circle which one is greater. What does greater mean? More. So you're going to have this one and this one to do on Pear Deck. I can't wait to see your finished assignments, and I hope y'all are having a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye.